In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 safety glasses available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best safety glasses. The 5th product on our list is the BISON Life. Are you looking for a sleek-looking pair of safety glasses that can protect your eyes and brows from dust and debris? BISON Life safety glasses are just what you need, as they are specially designed to give your face an aesthetic touch while protecting your eyes with their large and clear lenses. We like that these safety glasses are built with your comfort in mind. Its snug design fits your nose perfectly and prevents it from slipping down your face. We liked that these safety glasses have an anti-scratch coating that prevents them from getting scratches and looking rough. Research has shown that large safety glasses like the BISON Life help to prevent people from infectious diseases that may get into their body's system through the eyes. That is why BISON comes highly recommended for everyone, especially during a viral disease outbreak. We also liked that BISON Life has one versatile design that can fit adults and teenagers of all ages and gender. So, a pack of BISON Life safety glasses can serve everyone in your family or workplace. They can also be a very good gift for your family and friends during the dusty summer months, as the pack contains 12 pairs of safety glasses. So there's enough for everyone. They even come in a range of different colors. One of the most remarkable features of BISON is its ease of maintenance. It takes only a piece of soft cloth or towel to wipe and get it sparkling again. Its durability is second to none, and its lightweight makes it suitable to be carried in any pocket or pouch. BISON safety glasses can serve as regular safety glasses or professional safety glasses to protect your eyes at work. Its pros are, it doesn't impact your peripheral vision, it is budget-friendly, and it has multiple style options. However, its cons are, it is not suitable for little kids, and it may fog up during bad weather conditions. The BISON Life is built for people that care about protecting their eyes and looking good at the same time. Up next in 4th place is the ROCKSAFE. These are a stylishly designed pair of safety glasses that can protect your eyes from harmful UV radiation as well as from dust and debris in the air. Unlike other pairs of safety glasses in the market that fog up easily, the ROCKSAFE has air tunnels on the side shields that allow air into it to keep the lens cool and dry. This prevents the lens from developing condensation. We also like that this pair of safety glasses has a very wide coverage for protection. It can cover up to 200 degrees of your angle vision. Its lens is built with high-quality polycarbonate materials that are very transparent. This helps to give crystal clear and precise vision. It is also shock absorbent, as its lens is built to take impacts away from the eyes and face. This makes it one of the best protection that you can give to your eyes during outdoor activities, like hunting or mountain biking, where you stand chances of getting hit in the eyes by a tree branch. We liked that it has a flexible frame that perfectly fits people's faces, no matter their size. What's more, the ROCKSAFE has a strong storage case that you can use to pack it when not in use, or when traveling with it to protect its lens from getting damaged. It's lightweight, compact, and can easily be stored when not in use. Its pros are, a pack of ROCKSAFE contains 8 pairs of safety glasses, it doubles as sunglasses, and it has anti-scratch features. However, the tint is almost too dark in some situations. The ROCKSAFE is a stylishly designed pair of safety glasses built for both professional and recreational users who want to protect their eyes. Still haven't found a pair of safety glasses that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the NoCry. The way you treat your eyes goes a long way to determine how long you will be having good sight. That is why special safety glasses like the NoCry are highly recommended for everyone, as it will ensure the protection of your eyes against dangerous things like debris, dust, and germs. Unlike other safety glasses that protect the eyes from only direct threats, NoCry protects the eyes from both direct and peripheral threats with its large frame and side shields. It is built with durable polycarbonates, which is why these safety glasses have a track record of outlasting other safety glasses in the market. NoCry has a nose and side piece that can be adjusted to fit any face, no matter how wide or thin the face is. The use of some glasses can lead to distortion and fogging. That is why NoCry is built with untinted lenses and double-coated to give clear vision at all times. It is an ideal safety glasses for casual outings and work, such as carpentry and gardening, as it would prevent pieces of wood and sand from reaching the eyes. Even better, they absorb up to 90 to 100% of harmful UV radiation and prevent sunburns with their large lens, making them ideal for summer use when doing jobs around the backyard. Its pros are: it has 30 days unlimited warranty, scratch and UV resistant coatings, and it is affordable. However, they are too close-fitting to work over prescribed glasses. The NoCry safety glasses are built for people who care about their lifestyle's effects on their future eyesights and are looking to get a durable set of glasses with untinted lenses. The second product on our list is the Aqulius. If you're looking for a pair of safety glasses that will help you express yourself, you need bold and beautiful safety glasses like the Aqulius, which has its frames in 6 different colors, like green, blue, black, gray, orange, and red, so you can choose any color that best describes your mood. It is one of the most budget-friendly safety glasses in the market, as it has a bulk and affordable pack of 24 pairs of safety glasses. More than being pretty stylish, we like that the Aqulius are impact-resistant, so they absorb shock and prevent anything damaging your eyes. It has a crystal clear lens that is also scratch-resistant, so you can use it for years without any visible sign of scratches that may cause distortion. We also found the Aqulius to be so comfortable and lightweight that you can even forget that you are wearing safety glasses while enjoying all its benefits. It is the perfect safety glasses for all occasions. You can wear them to the science lab to protect your eyes from chemicals. You can also wear it during a casual outing on the beach on sunny days and to outdoor activities that require clear vision, such as shooting and hunting. Each pair of Aqulius safety glasses is wrapped in a protective wrap to protect them from the direct impact of a fall, especially during transit, and also from rubbing against each other inside their package. This means you can rest assured they'll arrive in tip-top shape and ready to use. Its pros are: they meet the ANSI Z87.1 standards, it is stylishly designed, and it has ballistic-resistant features. However, they may magnify objects slightly, which can be an issue in some cases. The Aqulius safety glasses are built for sportsmen and women, hunters, and professionals that need to protect their eyes from harm, or those that need to focus more accurately. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top safety glasses is the amoolo. These are versatile safety glasses that can meet all your needs for eye protection, comfort, and style. The amoolo are built with the highest quality of raw polycarbonates from Japan to lead the competition when it comes to durability. We like that these are advanced safety glasses with the latest UV 400 lenses that can absorb up to 99% of harmful UV radiation, preventing eye damage. They are also transparent on every side to offer you a clear vision while protecting you from both direct threats and peripheral threats from both left and right sides. It is a masterpiece carefully built with safety and comfort in mind to meet the ANSI 87.1 standards. Unlike other safety glasses that put too much pressure on the head and ear, the amoolo have a flexible temple piece that is curved at the tips to prevent too much pressure on your head and from behind the ear. They weigh only 0.8 ounces too, which is why you will not feel the weight on your face. These safety glasses have wide application. We found that their versatility makes them ideal for all professionals that require protection for the eyes. Its pros are: it has multiple scratch-resistant features, it comes with a 90-day unlimited warranty, it's UV-resistant, and it has an ergonomic design. However, they may fog up in humid environments. The amoolo safety glasses are built for people who need stronger and better safety glasses for their work or daily activities. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.